Welcome to SchoolGuard, the smartphone app that places a panic button in the hands of all teachers and staff for when seconds save lives. The following tutorial will show you the ease of reporting a non-life-threatening intra-school incident and a life-threatening armed intruder or active school shooting emergency. Also, we will illustrate the use of the principal push, test mode, and response plan buttons. To begin, use your compatible smartphone and/or iPad and go to your respective app store to download the SchoolGuard app. After it successfully downloads and installs, enter the unique one-time-only activation code provided by your school administrator listed on the instruction sheet you received. After you enter the activation code and accept terms of use, your SchoolGuard app is now live. Please note that the app only works while on or nearby school property. Please read all of the helpful hints on the instruction sheet and safely discard it once you have finished. It is recommended that you place the SchoolGuard icon on the main page so it is easily located during an emergency. It is also recommended that you turn your phone's passcode feature on to prevent students from accessing your device and triggering a false alarm. Let's start on the main screen of the SchoolGuard app. You will notice 3 key red buttons and 3 smaller white buttons at the bottom. The main feature of SchoolGuard is the large red button shaped like a shield in the center of the screen. This is the active shooter panic button to report an armed intruder or active shooting emergency and should only be used in this case. Once pressed, you will need to slide the bar to the right and press yes to confirm this is a true emergency. Once activated, this button will do 4 things simultaneously. First, it will speed dial 911. When answered, you can speak to the 911 operator and report the active school shooting emergency. While waiting to speak with the 911 operator to report the emergency, the app alerts all other SchoolGuard users at your location, and pending adequate cell phone or data signal, it will also provide them with a mapped location of the initial alert for situational awareness. The SchoolGuard app will also alert all other Guard 911 protected properties within a 5-mile radius. Most importantly, the app will alert all law enforcement officers, on and off duty, from all jurisdictions who are in close proximity to your location. Next, let's take a look at the red 911 Only button on the bottom left. This button simply speed dials 911 and can be used in non-active school shooting emergencies. Once pressed, you will be prompted yes or no to prevent any inadvertent activations. If you're using an iPad, there will not be a 911 button displayed since there is no cellular phone access on these devices. Now, look at the right side of your smartphone screen. You will see a Teacher Assist button. You would use this button in situations such as a fight or an incident where you are needing assistance from other school staff members. Once pressed, you will be prompted yes or no. This button sends out an assistance requested audible alert to all other SchoolGuard users tied to your school. This feature will not alert other protected locations nor the police. After the request for assistance is sent, a box will appear for you to type an optional message such as "Fight in the gym" or "Send a nurse to room 100." Unlimited messages can be typed and sent as the situation unfolds. Pending an adequate cell phone or data signal, the recipients of the Teacher Assist will see your name in the alert as well as a mapped location of where the alert was sent. Next, we will review the white buttons at the bottom of your screen. These features are the Principal Push, Test Alert, Response Plan, and View Alert. The View Alert button only displays during an emergency activation. If your administration has given you access to the Principal Push feature, this button will appear on your app. When used, a blast text message box appears for you to type a message. This message will go to all SchoolGuard users associated with your protected property. Even if you do not have this feature enabled to send messages, you will still receive messages sent by your school administration via the Principal Push feature. The Test Alert feature simply puts the SchoolGuard app in test mode so you can get a feel for how it works. Once pressed, you will see a banner over the main feature signifying the app is indeed in test mode. Feel free to touch the Report School Shooting Shield to familiarize yourself with the service. While in test mode, no alert will be sent, but you will see what all SchoolGuard recipients will receive during an actual alert. You will also see a response plan button. If your school has uploaded any response plans, they can be found under this button for your reference. Lastly, during an active alert, you will see the View Alert button. This will allow you to toggle back and forth between the map and the main page of the app during the alert period. As a reminder, please make sure to safeguard your phone at all times, like any personal property. The phones and iPads must be left with the volume on and turned up in order to receive the audible alerts. Assistance requested. Assistance requested. Thank you for what you do, and thank you for using SchoolGuard.